Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best limited ingredient dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wellness Simple Limited Ingredient Diet Turkey and Potato Formula. When selecting the right food for your furry friend with a sensitive stomach, Wellness Simple Limited Ingredient Diet Turkey and Potato Formula stands out as an exemplary choice. Crafted in the USA with high standards, this dry dog food is made with non-GMO ingredients that promote nutritional benefits without unnecessary fillers. It's perfect for adult dogs who may react poorly to common allergens found in many pet foods. With turkey as its primary source of protein and potatoes providing digestible carbohydrates, this special recipe supports overall digestive health while also boosting skin and coat condition thanks to natural prebiotics and essential omega fatty acids. This particular wellness formula takes into account the specific needs of dogs with food sensitivities or allergies by excluding corn, wheat, soy, artificial colors, or flavors from its ingredients list. Flaxseed has been included to aid in keeping your dog's skin healthy and their coat shiny. Pet owners can feel confident knowing they are providing a meal that not only alleviates gastrointestinal upsets, but also contributes positively to their dog's immune system due to added vitamins. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Basics Limited Ingredient Grain-Free Formula. Blue Buffalo Basics Limited Ingredient Grain-Free Formula offers a nutritious and thoughtful solution for adult dogs with sensitive stomachs, or those who suffer from food sensitivities. The primary protein source is real deboned turkey, an exceptional choice for pets that may react to more common proteins like chicken or beef. Instead of potentially irritating grains, this formula uses easily digestible carbohydrates such as potatoes and peas, supporting your furry friend's digestive health without compromising on energy levels. Not only does Blue Buffalo prioritize high-quality ingredients, but they also enrich their dog food with antioxidant-rich LifeSource Bits, a veterinarian-crafted blend designed to bolster your dog's immune system and maintain a healthy oxidative balance. This deliberate approach to canine nutrition secures its spot as number 3 on our list. It's not just about what is left out, but also the careful consideration of what is included in your pet's diet. At number 3, we have the Halo Holistic Plant-Based Recipe with Superfoods. Discover the unique advantages of Halo Holistic Plant-Based Recipe with Superfoods, a top-notch dry dog food that champions complete digestive health for your furry friend. Packed with prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics, this vegan formula supports a robust immune system and ensures smooth digestion. Each 10-pound bag is loaded with superfood ingredients like blueberries and cranberries that offer an abundance of vitamins and minerals essential for your dog's vitality. This plant-based adult formula caters to dogs requiring high-quality nourishment without animal products. Made in the USA, Halo prioritizes non-GMO components free from common allergens such as corn, wheat, or soy, ideal for sensitive pups. Your dog's skin and coat will radiate health thanks to the perfect blend of omega fatty acids found in this natural recipe. Innovative yet straightforward cooking processes lock in these benefits while saying no to artificial flavors or preservatives. At number 2, we have the ACANA Singles Limited Ingredient Dry Dog Food. ACANA Singles Limited Ingredient Dry Dog Food steps up to the plate when it comes to catering to dogs with specific dietary needs or discerning palates. This grain-free beef and pumpkin recipe is a single protein powerhouse, making it an ideal choice for furry friends with sensitivities. Crafted in the USA using top-notch beef as its main ingredient, this dog food provides your pup with 65% high-quality animal ingredients, which support strong muscles and keep tails wagging. The thoughtful addition of pumpkin and sweet potato not only tempts the taste buds, but also aids in digestion, a win for pet owners who prioritize their companion's gut health. Essential fatty acids from omega-3 and omega-6 ensure that every bite contributes to a lustrous coat and healthy skin, addressing common concerns many dog owners have about their pets' appearance and well-being. Plus, with vitamin E bolstering your dog's immune system, ACANA singles helps maintain overall health. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canidae Pure Limited Ingredient Premium Adult Dry Dog Food. Discover the benefits of feeding your furry friend Canidae Pure Limited Ingredient Premium Adult Dry Dog Food. This nourishing blend offers high-quality protein with real salmon, headlining the ingredient list and ensuring your dog enjoys a taste they'll love while fueling their muscles and energy levels. Ideal for dogs with sensitive stomachs or allergies, this grain-free formula uses just a handful of key components like sweet potatoes, peas, and menhaden fish meal to provide a balanced diet without any unnecessary fillers. Your dog's health is at the forefront with Canidae Pure Salmon and Sweet Potato Recipe. Loaded with antioxidants and probiotics, it supports optimal digestive health and bolsters the immune system. The inclusion of essential vitamins and minerals caters to their joints, skin, and coat needs too. As you pour this 22-pound bag of dry food into your pet's bowl, take pride in choosing sustainably sourced ingredients that contribute positively to our planet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.